Hi, I'm Ronnie from Achtung Camper and I'm going to show you how to use your fridge. So, first thing I guess, very important, have it always nicely stacked. So when you have it fully stacked, it will last a lot longer. You know, the more you have in there, and obviously the less you use it, the less you open it, the longer your battery will last. The less you have in there, the more it has to work, you know, like so, yeah. So make sure it's always nice and full. And I guess we start how to turn it on. So there's this little button on the left. You hold that for, I think it's 3 seconds. Yes, there you go. And now it's set on really cold. So I'd go, at the moment we've got like 15 degrees outside. You probably could go there in the first setting, but probably on the second one. If it gets really hot, I would go on the third one. And then this is icy cold. Your stuff will probably freeze already if you go there. But if you're catching a lot of fish and you want to freeze it all, you can turn this one into a freezer. So you hold that button for 3 seconds and then it will turn the whole fridge into a freezer. If you want to get out of that again, just hold it for 3 seconds, push the button, and then you will go down to your settings again. So I usually use it on the second one. Then to turn it off, you can just hold that button again for 3 seconds and your fridge will turn off. If you're using the fridge, there is this function, so you can completely lock it. If you are not using it, so say you're finished with your camping, then you can turn it onto vent and then just click the door in like that, and yeah, you won't get that nice fridge smell. So there's a few other little things you can do with it. The freezer can be removed, so you have more fridge space. And yeah, and there is, so say you've been camping for like a couple of weeks, you had your freezer in, and you have like heaps of like nice ice build up in there. So Dometic has this little plug in the back here that you pull out, and make sure when you pull that out, you leave it in the fridge. So this will act like a drain. So all the water that's like all the frozen water will melt into here, and then will drain out of your car. And when you use the fridge again, when this is all dry, make sure you put that back in. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. So your fridge will last, if you just running it without solar, it will probably last on a hot day, will last like a day, like 24 hours. On cooler days, it will last up to 3 days. This is without driving or without turning the engine on. So yeah, like if you have solar on the roof or a panel and it gets good sun, you should not run out of power. That's it.